Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 6-in-1 multi-welder available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 6-in-1 multi-welder, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welding Welder 6-in-1 110 volts/220 volts. Digital control and automatically match the recommend current and wire feeding speed when selected. Diameter of welding wire and gas material. Also, you can adjust welding current according to your welding habit. Easy to work with beginners or professional welders. The MIG Welder features some special functions that included adaptive crater, burn back adjustment, pre-flow/post flow, which improve your welding efficiency. 2T/4T2 welding way meet your more needs. Parameter group storage function. Can set 10 groups parameter day to each welding mode. It's more convenience to start next welding job. The stick welder mode was built in arc force, hot arc and anti-stick. Easily start arc, more reliable and less spatter. Digital LED screen, display dynamic data instantly. Help you read easier and more clear. Gasless flux core wire MIG weld and gas MIG weld, stick weld, lift TIG weld, spot weld and spool gun weld. Choose diameter of wire and material or gas. Automatically match current and wire feeding speed. Easy to use for new workers. Manual wire feed speed controls allows you to create perfect weld. Very suitable for professional welders. Unique human-computer interaction LED screen design. Provides you accurate data display and make you read easier and more clear without taking off helmet. Built-in hot start, arc force, anti-stick. Turn on VRD prevents electric shock. You can turn off if needed. Can weld in mild steel, aluminium MIG and stainless steel. Lift TIG can't weld aluminium. Keep your machine running cool when needed. Reduce noise, energy saving and extend lifespan of machine. Free to set 10 groups parameter day to each welding mode. Very convenient to operate next welding job. Burn back adjustment, adaptive crater, pre-flow/post flow functions will help you improve welding efficiency. Dual voltage 110 volts/220 volts. Comes with dual voltage 110 volts/220 volts input power and adapter. Take it to work anywhere. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder 6-in-1 200 amp. The multi-process welding machine that included gas, solid wire MIG more, gasless flux core MIG core, stick/MMA, spot welding, lift TIG, spool gun connector optional. TIG gun and spool gun not included. Suitable for all kinds of welding requirements. .023/.030/.035 solid wire, .023/.030/.035 flux core wire, .035/.045 aluminium wire. Digital control and automatically match the recommend current and wire feeding speed when selected. Diameter of welding wire and gas material. Also, you can adjust welding current according to your welding habit. Easy to work with beginners or professional welders. The MIG Welder features some special functions that included adaptive crater, burn back adjustment, pre-flow/post flow, which improve your welding efficiency. 2T/4T2 welding way meet your more needs. Parameter group storage function. Can set 10 groups parameter day to each welding mode. It's more convenient to start next welding job. The stick welder mode was built in arc force, hot arc and anti-stick. Easily start arc, more reliable and less spatter. Digital LED screen, display dynamic data instantly. Help you read easier and more clear. Number 3. Fusion PM's ET205 6-in-1 multi-welder. Multi-process welder for MIG/mag pulse or synergy or manual, MMA, HF TIG and HF cut. Professional grade welding and cutting for hobbyists, beginners, and pros. Versatile, portable design for projects in the field and the workshop. Lemon welding equipment go. Limited is the manufacturer of DECA Power Company Group. We are focusing on developing and producing reliable quality inverter welding machines and air plasma cutter with favorable price, such as MMA/ARC welder, TIG welder, MIG welder and air plasma cutter, which has been approved by CSA, CCC, certificate. Tailor clients' assortment products with innovation, competitive price and well presentation. We're culturally diverse, globally gained. Our knowledge and industry-focused terms are driven to satisfy and exceed customers' expectations. Our can-do and yes.why not philosophy defines DECA Power's global approach. Our customer-centric spirit makes it easy to work and being partner with us. Lemon Welding delivers consistent quality from our ISO 9001 certificated manufacturing facilities that you can rely on every turn. Our application-specific engineers and dedicated R&D team are able to tailor solutions for optimal performance and value. Number 4. Dancy Carbon Steel MIG Welder 6-in-1. Dancy MIG 200 Pulse Aluminium Welding Machine performance features are as follows. Useful digital control system to realize precise control and stable arc length during welding. Useful digital wire feeding control system to realize precise and stable wire feeding. With built-in welding expert database, the system can be used to realize automatic intelligent parameter combination. Friendly operation interface, unified regulating mode, easy to master. Perfect single pulse and double pulse functions, minimum welding spatter and good looking appearance of weld. The special 4-step function is suitable for welding metals with good thermal conductivity, and the welding quality is perfect during the arc initiating and extinguishing. Our advantages: each of your machine is packed with protection foam and completed accessories into a inner box, then be packed into a strong master carton. It is professional and looks attractive. Meanwhile, we work very good relationship with our regular logistic. Your goods are shipped safety and fast by sea/air/combined transit. Company profile golden supplier for welding machines, MMA, TIG, MIG, air plasma cutter. Click to contact us for request. We, Dancy Machine Company, are a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of welding machine including of MMA, MIG, TIG, plasma cutter and its related machines. In recent years, our company have introduced a series of advanced equipment to marketing, like MIG Pulse, AC/DC TIG, LGK80, MMA Pulse, MIG 350, MIG 500, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance, you can talk to our customer service center about your requirements. Help you join us. We trust our products and services will take you good benefit. Number 5. New arrival LCD Smart TIG 250 Pro 6-in-1 Aluminium Welding. 200 amp LCD Smart TIG Welder, suitable for 220 volts voltage. With AC/DC TIG, AC/DC pulse/MMA/cold/TIG/aluminium welding/lift TIG function. 3.2 welding rod, easy arcing, suitable for various welding materials, such as aluminium. Adjustable cold time. Channel storage can be called, 6 channels available. Balance available. Ensure clean weld B.PRE/post gas, avoiding oxidation. Never overheating. Extremely thin sheet. Welding thickness. Aluminium welding, 0.5 to 5 mm, cold welding thickness, 0.3 to 1 mm, TIG thickness, 0.8 to 8 mm, ground clamp 2M1, TIG torch WP26 4M1, gas pipe 3M1, hose clamp 2, collects 20, nozzle 20 PCS, tungsten electrode 30, footpad L2, Pyrex cup kit 49 PCS 1 box. WP9F4M torch 4M1 certification, efficient customer service team. If you encounter problems when receiving the goods, you can contact us for free guidance. We will provide returns and exchanges within 30 days after receiving the goods, and provide a 2-year warranty and free replacement parts.